Hey guys, I'm Tristan. Welcome back to Straight Line Solutions. Today we're just kind of working on the Supra a little bit. We got clutch throwout bearing that went out on this thing, making it a little hard to drive, and we're just kind of getting it prepped for the Missouri, be the Ozarks Gambler 500 coming up in a couple of months. We're going to see about possibly doing a roll cage in the back of this thing, try and stiffen it up a little bit. We're gonna get the throwout bearing put in it, get a couple other little things. I want to get power steering put on this thing and get a couple little things done here and there and get it ready to drive out to Missouri. So stay tuned. So as you can see, the throwout bearing's a little junk on this thing, so we'll be getting some parts ordered and keeping you guys up to date with what's going on next. Stay tuned.